Now, the COVID-19 virus variant known as B1617 has spread to a dozen countries ever since it was discovered in India last year. Researchers have identified 3 subtypes, each with a slightly different genetic makeup. Experts are now probing these variants, trying to find out how they might affect the trajectory of the pandemic in countries that they have gained a foothold in. Various aspects of the virus, like its spreadability, the potential to evade immunity, and if these new variants can cause a more severe form of disease, all these aspects are now being investigated. Researchers have also been able to rapidly track the spread of B1617.2, that is a newer subtype of the variant, because its genome contains a marker that the dominant variant, that is the B117, lacks. The UK Government Advisory Committee said that there is a possibility that this variant is 50% more transmissible than the original variant, according to available data. Genetic sequencing data suggests that the rapid spread of the subtype of this variant is less likely to pose a problem to the vaccination efforts than the spread of the original variant. Although vaccine efficacy studies tend to focus on the ability to prevent severe disease, many scientists now say that it is important to find out whether those who are vaccinated could catch the B1617 variant and its different subtypes without showing severe symptoms.
So they basically get a wild-type lab virus, and then they insert these resistant genes or these mutated genes into that and see the response in terms of neutralization studies in the lab. But we found that some of those studies don't always predict the actual effectiveness of the vaccines in real populations. And some of the vaccines actually have worked better in real populations.
However, researchers now say that none of the B1617 variant subtypes are associated with an increased disease severity. However, they warn that the mutated subtypes of the coronavirus may potentially devastate nations that do not have widespread access to vaccinations. WION World is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news updates on the move.